Hi, I'm Joe Zappacosta, Director of the Hackley Public Library. I often wander through the stacks looking for books and wondering about the cases around the sides of the floor here, the glass floor. And I have some time, so I thought I would take a few minutes here and there just to take a look, see what's in that collection to get an idea. And while I was doing that, I thought, wouldn't it be great to share what I find in there because it's just so interesting. It's very interesting to me. Um, so I was able to, with some help, get into this case. Um, and I'm just going to show you a few things that I find here. And maybe if you would like to see inside one of them, you can tell me you want to see more of it, and I could do a little research on a book if you'd like, or you could just share your ideas or thoughts. So let's see what we have here. Um, One of the ones I see here is called The County Seats of Great Britain and Ireland. Hmm. It's a pretty beautiful book. So, probably not a lot of pictures to oh, no, there is a picture. Right there's one. Um, so, there's another one. Looks like a hall. Isn't that amazing? You could probably spend a lot of time just looking through this book. And there's a whole set. Another one that looks very interesting is it's called Winkle's British Cathedrals. So it has that marble look to the cover and gold leaf pages. Oh, it's pretty nice, pretty amazing engravings. So there's one there. Um, it's nothing more fun than just spending some time looking at old books. Wow, look at this engraving here. Hopefully that's coming through okay. Let me get this. There we go. So that is Winkle's British Cathedrals. I'll put that one back. Back nice. Hmm. Oh. Three Mayflower pilgrims, Standish, Alden, and Howland, their homes as they are seen today. Plymouth. Let's see what that looks like. They're photographs of what looks like, or what I think are homes of pilgrims. What they look like today, which would probably be, I'm gonna say, yep, 1896. So this is what the pilgrims' houses looked like in 1896 as the condition they were in. Um, hmm. There's one. That's pretty neat. And it's not, there's no description, but I'm going to put this one back because it feels like it's falling apart a little bit and I don't want anything to drop out. So, why don't I take a look at the art in the Middle Ages? Again, this is one of those books that I love how it looks like marble. It's amazing bookbinding on this one. Just amazing. So let's see if there are anything I can share quickly here with you. There's a lot of engravings. Looks like stained glass, maybe. Here's one that's pretty cool. There's one. There's a chalice and a cross. That's really neat. Let's see if I can. It says chalice said to be of Saint Remy. that is, of course, an amazing book. So let's see what else we have. I can show you. I think the American Woods. It has a very dry sounding name, but let's see. Whoa, that's pretty. That's pretty cool. Has a little latch on there. Hopefully, I get it open without breaking anything. Oh, there we go. So it kind of opens up there. It looks like maybe he slides out. Nope. I don't want to wreck it. Yeah. Let's open up. Maybe I should put this one back. It's making me a little nervous. I'll put that one back. Okay. And how about one more? I'll show you one more. Drawings of two. I'm not sure how to say that. Let's see. A little too risque. Let's see here. That's cool. There we go. Okay, well, that's just a small part of one case that I wanted to just take a moment to share with you. So if you thought that was fun, let me know. Or if you have any ideas on, or if you knew any of what were in the books, if you want to share some of your knowledge on what I showed you, or if you have any questions, I could do research. So just let me know. Thanks.